we are told a party store has 52 balloons. The store owner wants to tie 4 balloons together in each group to decorate the front windows. How many groups can the store owner make? Pause this video, have a go at this before we do this together. All right, now let's do this together. So if we had a certain number of groups, so let me write this, number of groups, and if we had that number of groups times 4, that would be the total number of balloons we have, which we know is going to be 52 balloons. So another way to think about it is we have blank times 4 is equal to 52, or we could say 4 times the number of groups blank is equal to 52, or we could say that blank is equal to 52 divided by 4. So what do we get for that? Blank, which is also going to be the same thing as the number of groups. The number of groups. Well, actually, let's go back to this one right over here. 4 times what is equal to 52? Well, we know that 4 times 10 is going to get us to 40. So how do we get to 52? Well, we have to get another 12. So another way to think about it is 4 times what is going to be equal to 40 plus 12. Well, we know that if you take 4 times 10, you get to 40. And then we also know if you take 4 times 3, you get to 12. So if you take 4 times 4, let me write it this way, 4 times 10 plus 3, that's going to be, we just use the distributive property, that would be 4 times 10, which is 40, plus 4 times 3 plus 12, that is going to be equal to 52, which is exactly what we want to get to. So 10 plus 3, this is 13. So 4 times 13 is equal to 52. So blank, or the number of groups, is 13. Number of groups, 13, times 4 is truly equal to 52, or 52 divided by 4 is 13.